Welcome. If you've ever wanted to keep a backup of your Snapchat data, especially your user information, you're in the right place. Snapchat gives you a built-in way to export your data, and it's actually pretty quick once you know where to look. Let's walk through it together step by step. First, go ahead and open the Snapchat app on your phone. Once you're in, look at the top left corner of your screen and tap on your Bitmoji or profile icon. This will take you to your profile page where all your personal settings live. Next, find the settings icon in the top right corner. It looks like a small gear. Tap on that to open your settings menu. Now, scroll down through the options until you reach the section labeled Account Actions. It might take a second to find, so just keep scrolling steadily. Once you're there, tap on My Data. This is where Snapchat lets you manage and request a copy of the information associated with your account. You'll see a list of different data categories that you can choose from. Look for the option called User Information and make sure to toggle it on. This ensures that your exported file will include important details like your account info, preferences, and other related data.